Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Friday, November 19th at 10:25 a.m. here in sunny California. In this video today, we're going to take a look at the weekly and daily Bitcoin charts. We're also going to look at XRP, BCH, LTC, and then I'm going to identify what I believe to be the two most buyable altcoins from a perspective of where their charts are right now. Before we get started, I want to draw your attention to my website, cryptogenic.io. You could join my free Telegram, check out my community, my latest videos, and the Cryptogenic Exchange is also here, where it's basically a Godex simple swap type of a concept there where you can swap currencies. Also, check me out at TikTok at the Cryptogenic One, also on Twitter at the Cryptogenic One. I'm sorry, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I've put a link in the description to all of these social media channels. Would love to interact with you there. I'm trying to get that together. Let's jump right in here to this Bitcoin chart. What we're seeing is we're at support in the RSI, right on time, right on the trend. All is well. Even if we break beneath this line, we have all the way to this line to come to before we've made a lower low. And all I'm looking for is that we're making higher lows in the RSI. Everything's fine there. From a price perspective, we're simply testing this line of support here and this historic trend line here. All is well there. Nothing looks like it's broken down. MACDs are still bullish. For all intents and purposes, I have no worries for Bitcoin at the moment. Looking at the daily chart for Bitcoin, it just seems to me that we have found support right at this, or even above that line. Where is it? Yep. Right at this line here. We've bottomed here so far, which is fine. Everything looks well there. I mean, yes, it is bearish on the daily, but hopefully it bounces from here. We see that we've come down and we've touched this bottom level here of support, and the potentiality that we have hit the bottom and that we're not going to go higher. However, there is a bearish case scenario. If we look at the 50-day EMA, we've broken beneath it. If we look at the 100-day EMA, we have not yet come to it. We're well above the 200-day, which is fine. But seeing that we have broken down beneath the 50-day EMA, we could come down and test the 100-day EMA and hit our final level of support at 52,741. That is not definite, but it's definitely a possibility, and I wanted to actually share that possibility just in case we do come down. All is not lost. Everything is still fine. Looking at XRP, same thing that we noticed yesterday. We're still above this line of support in the RSI. And so we still have plenty of opportunity to break bullish there. Still 2 days and 6 hours left on this weekly candle. Hopefully we can get back up into this triangle and not close beneath it. Looking at BCH, we're right now at $573, which is down below this line of support, which is fine. But this historic trend line here, we're still well above it. Still got plenty of room to break in the RSI. Even if we come down to this line, it's still a higher low in the RSI. The bull structure of this market is not broken. Looking at XRP, still very bullish for XRP. We can come all the way down to this level here and still be within the trend. We can come down to this level here and still make a higher low if we break just above that level there. It still looks very bullish. The MACDs are bullish. We do have an engulfing bearish candle here in the price action, but we hit that level of support and bounced immediately on the weekly. Still 2 days left to go on this weekly candle, 2 days and 6 hours. I just really believe that LTC is going to break out first, and it's going to start moving towards these targets with all swiftness. Now I'm going to talk about two altcoins that I think are very strong looking at the altcoin market and very buyable right now. The first is Chiliz. Chiliz, baby, back rubs. Chiliz, look at this. We've broken bullish out of this bull pennant, and we're well above the whole suite indicator. We're simply coming back down to test it, which is totally fine. But look at the RSI. The RSI has broken up, and we're strongly in the realm of making higher lows in the RSI. We've made higher highs in the RSI, making higher lows in the RSI. And all we need is some volume to come in, and Chiliz is going to take off towards its next target, which I see as $1.71, and then I've got higher levels here going all the way up to $19, which is crazy because that's 20x, no, that's 40x for Chili's by the end of this market. If we hit $19, that's absolutely crazy. And then secondly is XLM, and XLM is very strong. We're making, we're well above the trend here. We could come all the way down to this line and bounce and still be within the trend, in the bullish trend, but we could come all the way down to this line here and still have made a higher low, as long as we bounce just before this line. Yes, and then it's honoring this historic trend line here in the price. We're still above the Hull Suite indicator, and XLM is doing well. All we need is a little bit of a pump, some volume to come in, and XLM is going to take off towards some of these targets. I'm looking for a $5 XLM by the end of the year. All right, folks, that's all I got for you today in this particular video. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Check me out on my social media profiles. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think of this content. And above all else, make it your aim to sleep in peace, wake in joy, and walk in love. This is Cryptogenic signing out.